rise before the dawning of the day, I will ask for God's help along the way as I serve my Lord in any way I can. I'll be holding to His hand when I rise.
Seeking God's own perfect will for me, lifting every need to Him in prayer each day, singing songs, dispelling fear.